Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to delete photos in Google Maps. It is very simple, so let's start this video. Open your Google Maps and select any business from which you want to remove your photos. So I will just select this business which is called Sam's Club. So over here you have to scroll up and then swipe right and then click on photos over here. Now here are all the photos. Just click on any picture or any picture that you have uploaded but you want to delete. So just click on any picture as I have done over here. Now click on these three dots and over here you will get the option of remove your photo. So this is the first step, and if you want to delete the photo which is in review, so just go into your profile in the top right corner and then click on your profile. Over here you will see the photo which is in review, so you have to just click on that photo and then click on those three dots on the top right corner and then click on delete this photo. So this is how it works. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.